to this question. And it said the company's brand has commissioned a survey relating to the brand, as they believe it's key to growing the profitability. So that's what they're looking for, profitability through branding. The survey was completed by a consultant firm and the CEO considers it to be reliable, and we get given an extract. The CEO is puzzled by a number of elements of the report and has asked you to answer a number of detailed questions about it. Here we go then, what we need to do. The bit that I'm doing in this video is this bit. Explain how brand awareness and loyalty interact to benefit Chain in this company. And that's the bit that I want to do first. The explanation, the words. Okay, so obviously we're going to open up our word processor and we're going to put some words in. So this is pretty much textbook knowledge. Brand awareness is an indicator of the depth of impression of the brand in potential customers' mind. It indicates how effective marketing is. It doesn't necessarily lead to benefit, as you might have a bad message, but you might have a bad brand. So it only comes as a positive when a customer makes a purchasing decision. Now, brand loyalty is what you want. That results in continued visits and further purchases. You get brand awareness first. People get to know about you first. Then brand loyalty follows as they get positive interaction, the customers. Brand loyalty basically reflects the customer's preference for one brand over the other, and so therefore results in an increased market share. Also, you'll be able to push through price increases with a little loss of demand. So a bit of what we call price inelasticity of demand. That's a key benefit of brand loyalty. Okay, you could also go on to say that brand loyalty can be measured by considering the revenue volumes per customer. So revenue volumes per customer and the profit margins per customer compared to competition without a strong brand. So you're trying to get to the brand on its own. Brand loyalty is also seen in word of mouth marketing by your customers. So that's far more than was really needed. But that just gives you an idea, like a teaching thing as well. So to understand the difference between brand awareness and brand loyalty and what it can mean.